What's up, gang? I hope you're doing well today, guys. Please, guys, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, guys. Thank you for your support. Okay, guys, if you need airtime, if you need easy airtime or fast airtime and fast cash, come to M4JAM, guys. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you that M4JAM still pays, guys. Okay, menu. As you can see, guys, I have 100 bucks, guys, over 100 bucks. Okay, spend. But I'm going to spend it on airtime, guys. I'm going to withdraw 30 bucks. Okay. 6311. Okay. 30 bucks. Okay, confirm. Yep. As you can see, guys, we have successfully bought to it. Okay. It still pays, guys. It still pays, guys. Okay. As you can see. Okay, guys, you can see here, guys. My purchase has been successful, guys. Okay, guys, please subscribe, like, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I.